Hi, boys and girls. This week we're going to be reading a story called Forest Full of Life. Now, in this video, I want you to pay attention to the animals and the plants that they mention in the story. So, en la historia de esta semana van a ver un video sobre el bosque y quiero que ustedes piensen en todos los animales y las plantas que van a mencionar en la historia.
You ready? Let's go!
Forest full of life. A habitat. What's that? It's a place where animals and plants make their home. A forest is a habitat. There are different kinds of forests, but they all have trees. Lots and lots of trees. A forest habitat contains everything animals need to live: food, water, and shelter. In fact, it's like a home with a roof. The tops of the trees protect creatures from the hot sun. It's cool, dark, and quiet inside a forest. This is a deciduous forest. It has trees with broad leaves. Here, you can find animals in the leafy treetops. Further down, animals are on branches and tree trunks. Closer to the ground, animals find food in bushes and flowers around the trees. Now let's go all the way down to the forest floor. At the bottom of the forest, among the mushrooms and moss, is an amazing hidden world. Turn over a rock, and you may find pill bugs. Touch one, and it rolls into a ball. All the fallen leaves that crunch under your shoes are called leaf litter. Leaves cover the ground, especially in autumn. A snake slithers under the leaf litter. A salamander hunts for worms to eat. Here, a log sits on the forest floor. It holds secrets too. A dead log is full of life, just like the rest of the forest. Lift a log in the forest, and what will you see? Do you see a worm? Do you see a beetle? Or even a millipede with its many, many legs? There are wonderful things to find in a forest habitat.
All right, boys and girls, so let's think about the different animals that we saw within our habitat. You're going to take a piece of paper, un papel, and you're going to fold it in half. Dóblalo así en la mitad. And on one side, you're going to write animal. A un lado van a escribir la palabra animal, animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Here, you're going to pick one animal that lives within the forest. You're going to draw him, the animal here, and write a sentence underneath to describe it. Aquí van a dibujar una foto de un animal que vieron que vive en el bosque. Y abajo van a poner una oración sobre ese animal. On the right side, you're going to write the word plant, planta, P-L-A-N-T. Think about a plant that you saw in the video of the forest. You're going to draw the plant here and write a sentence underneath to describe it. Aquí en esta parte del papel van a escribir planta y hacer un dibujo sobre una planta que vieron en el video. En la parte de abajo pon una oración hablando sobre la planta.